I'm going to show you how to hide notifications from the lock screen of your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So go to settings. Under settings, you want to go to notifications and status bar, tap on that, and then you'll see lock screen. Tap on that, and then it's going to list for you all the apps, and you can go and hide notifications from the lock screen for the apps you want to hide. So let's say I'm going to choose, for instance, the messages app. I'm also going to choose Google Meet, some of the sensitive applications that you might not want showing notifications and their contents on the lock screen. Okay. Now you can choose a different way. You can choose to have notifications on the lock screen, but then you can change the format of the notification to only to show notification and content, or to show notifications but hide the content, or don't even show lock screen notifications at all. Now, if you select this will stop showing lock screen notifications for all the apps. Okay. Now, if you want to only hide the notifications contents, you can select that. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.